Gates open, they're up and racing. Bad Boy draws for your lead, moving up Livingstone. On the further outside comes Tiger Boy. Aloha down in fourth, followed by Diamond Magic. Next in line is entry number 7, Zappy, running by the rail. He's Scott May running on the outside. Is Speedy Kim, 5 o'clock. And My Chic is running at the tail of the field. Now we have Tiger Boy, Bad Boy running by the rail. Livingstone down on the inside and closing in fourth is entry number 4, Aloha on the outside. Diamond Magic as they turn to the final 450. Bad Boy, Tiger Boy is on the outside. Running by the rail is Livingstone with the last 200 meters more to run. Tiger Boy, Bad Boy is by the rail, almost as one with the last 150. Bad Boy running by the rail. Tiger Boy is on the outside. Joining them is Cat May on the outside. With the last 50 meters, it's going to be Cat May. Bad Boy, Tiger Boy, 5 o'clock, Diamond Magic close with number 2, Livingstone for your Pentapecta. Then comes Speedy Kim, Aloha My Chic, and Zappy.